2025 kitchen design trends and renovation ideas. Stunning modern kitchen decor inspiration. In 2025, the sphere of kitchen design is undergoing a revolutionary transformation that marries form and function to create truly breathtaking spaces. At the core of these trends is a focus on focal decor elements that draw the eye and set the tone for the entire kitchen. This year, we see a unification of aesthetics and utility, where every design choice is made to enhance both beauty and functionality, crafting an environment that is at once inviting and inspiring. Sleek minimalist cabinetry introduces clean lines and an uncluttered look, offering ample storage while doubling as a canvas for artistic expression. The integration of natural textures, such as wood and stone, adds depth and warmth, grounding the modern elements with a timeless appeal that resonates comfort and style. These materials not only provide visual interest but also promote sustainability, aligning with a growing emphasis on eco-friendly design practices. Lighting has taken center stage as a critical component of kitchen design, with statement pieces that illuminate and accentuate key areas, creating layers of light that add sophistication and allure. Elegant backsplash designs now incorporate intricate patterns and artisanal craftsmanship, elevating them from mere functional surfaces to works of art. Curated countertop decor offers a personal touch, infusing the space with individuality and charm. Open shelving is making a resurgence, celebrated for its ability to display beautiful dishware and decor while remaining functional. This trend is accompanied by the rise of smart storage solutions that maximize space and accessibility, ensuring that the kitchen remains clutter-free and efficient. Seamless appliances further this goal, blending effortlessly into the design and offering the latest in technology without sacrificing aesthetics. The choice of color palettes is pivotal in achieving the desired atmosphere. Soft earthy tones provide a neutral backdrop that is both calming and versatile, while warm metallic accents, like brass and copper, introduce a touch of luxury. These organic elements foster a sense of harmony, creating a warm ambience that makes the kitchen a welcoming habitat. Whether you're drawn to the rustic allure of a classic farmhouse style or the clean lines of a modern minimalist approach, there are ample ideas that allow you to express personal style while remaining current with design trends. Achieving your ideal kitchen is within reach through strategic updates and thoughtful planning. By selecting luxury finishes and sustainable materials, you ensure that your renovation is not only beautiful but also conscious of its environmental impact. The layout should be intelligently conceived, optimizing flow and functionality to enhance the space's usability for cooking, entertaining, and day-to-day activities. This year's kitchen trends are more than just visual updates. They represent a shift towards creating spaces where life unfolds seamlessly and elegantly. These design concepts offer a roadmap to transforming your kitchen into a sanctuary of style and grace, making everyday moments exquisite. Start your transformation journey now, and bring to life a kitchen that reflects both modern sensibilities and timeless charm.